in our vlog we will be discussing more about the Logcat here. So here you can just see the Logcat. Here we have got a message like try the new Logcat with improved formatting and filtering options. So this is the new thing which we have got in Android Studio Dolphin, and we have got an option to enable it or dismiss it. So I'm just trying to enable it, and when you tap on restart here, the IDE will again restart and our new Logcat will be loaded. So yes, this is how our new Logcat looks like, and you can find there are different colors for each line over here. So every line is being specified with a different color. And don't get confused, here we have got E here, I here, D, V. So these are all the same levels which we have dealt with earlier, and these are again the same in the new IDE as well. So E stands for error, D stands for debug, I stands for info, V stands for verbose, and here D we have just seen debug, and W stands for warn. So like this we can just classify our Logcat accordingly here. So the very first thing is like package and mine is being specified by the Android Studio by default. And here I would also like to show you some more customizations you can make in your Android Studio Logcat here. So when you tap on this particular button, that is configuring here, you have got three options like standard view, compact view and modify view. So the particular view which we are seeing is a standard view, and when you tap on compact view here, you can see we have got some customizations where you can see only the minimal data is being specified for us now. And when you tap on modify views, it will be providing you the option like what are all the things you required you can just display in your Logcat to avoid unnecessary confusion here. So let's tap on standard. So this is how our current Logcat is being displayed for us with the date, time, year, and also the example tags, and here the package name and also the message over here. So when you tap on show timestamp, so we are disabling to show timestamp here, and here you can see our timestamp is now removed from Logcat. So whenever you don't want to have timestamp in your Logcat, so if the view is very much big for you to handle, so you can just remove the timestamp, and again whenever you want to know the logs according to your time and date, then it will be very much helpful for you. So I'm just trying to show you the options available. So again it's you who can decide like what the things you required in your Logcat. And here we have got the second option is like show process ID. So we can also remove the process ID here. So whenever we tap on disabling the show process ID here, you can see our Logcat is much more simplified now. And tags, even we can remove the tags here. So these tags are also being removed from our Logcat, and also you can just remove the package name. And finally you got the messages displayed here. When you remove all these things and tap on apply here and OK, here you can see we have just got only the messages here. So clearly you can see from the options which we have removed, or all the options are being removed from our Logcat, and only the messages are being displayed now. And the next thing which I would like to explain you, and just want to clarify it, even before the Dolphin these options of customization are available. So this is not any new option into the Dolphin, but the new option which we got in the Dolphin is like here you can specify what are all the things you require, just like filtering in our previous versions. So here this is also a kind of filtering, but I will be showing you how to use it. So now we just want to know the error messages only. So we don't want all the remaining things in our Logcat, we just want to concentrate only on the error tags. So just specify level here, and here inside the level I'm going to specify these are all the levels available for us. So I'm just specifying error. So here you can see we have got only errors here. Yes, this functionality is even available in our previous IDE, in our previous versions of Android Studio as well, but that is a bit different. There we have got a drop down, and from there we used to select it. And here we have got a chance to select multiple things here, multiple levels again. So now we have selected error and level 1 here, so both the things are being displayed now. So in our previous versions we don't have this particular option, right? We just have only select one thing, like if you are selecting error, then all the errors are displayed. If you are selecting verbose, then all the verbose are being displayed and won. So similarly all these things are displayed individually, but here we have got an option to select what are all the things we require. Okay, and when you go through the official documentation, there they have specified you a different things, like here we have made use of a level here, and also we have got package here, and by default package mine is selected. So here these are all the different packages here. So inside our package we just only have main activity, so we have specified our project here in the package. And now let's try to see what are all the different things available other than this package mine. And these are all the different things available for us: level, message. So yes, these are the few things I just want to specify you. Like in this way we can customize our Logcat in our latest version of Android Studio. And yes, there are few more options. We can just make sure we can just customize them, but these are the basic things which I want to specify you. And if you are having any queries in other options, if you want to use it, just let me know in the comment section below. I will surely try to help you. So just for basic beginner purpose I am doing this particular tutorial, so that beginners can gain a minimum knowledge like how they can customize their Logcat in the latest version of Android Studio. And yes, of course, I'm also specifying few options are being even available in our previous Android Studio version, but the selection of multiple levels just I've shown you, right? So these are some new things which are added in Android Studio Dolphin. And also it is very much advisable for you to use the latest version of IDE every time. And yes, I have not gone through some basic options here, like here you can tap on this particular button to make some screen recordings, and this particular one to capture an image. So just I have thought like these are all the basic options, so I'm not covered here. So if you want to have a detailed tutorial on Logcat, just let me know in the comment section below. I will surely like to help you, and I will be doing a complete new tutorial on this particular topic as well. So in our coming tutorial we will be going to see how to handle Android 13 push notification permission. So yes, this is the most interesting topic which is going around, because by the release of Android 13 there are, particularly in terms of push notification, there is a new change coming up. Till Android 12 by default push notifications are being enabled, but from Android 13 we need to seek the user permission before providing any push notification services for our application. So yes, this is it for this tutorial. For more interesting updates, stay tuned to our channel.